old. They will call on my name, and I will answer them. I will say, they are my people, and they will say, the Lord is our God.
Purify my heart, let me be as gold and precious silver. Purify my heart, let me be as gold, pure gold. Refiner's fire, my heart's one desire is to be holy, set apart for you, Lord. I choose to be holy, set apart for you, my Master, ready to do your will.
Wayne was ahead of his time. Before anybody had even heard of the three strikes law, Wayne was a three-striker. On his way to prison, he had ruined his marriage and his relationship with his daughter. In court, his judge recognized his true potential. Deeming him incorrigible, he seemed destined to spend his life in prison.
And in prison, he found life.
Wayne found forgiveness that a state can't give, that people can't give. Wayne met Christ. That very day, behind bars, Wayne was released from his own prison. Today, years later, Wayne is still in the state prison, every day. He arrives in the morning to minister to men who are forgotten by all but Christ. Hope and Life Ministries was formed by Wayne to bring the love of God to people the world has given up on. And in resurrecting his life, Christ also reconciled Wayne and his wife, as well as his daughter, who now teaches in a Christian school.
God takes what is lost, cleans it, purifies it, and makes it whole.
Purify my heart, cleanse me from within, and make me holy. Purify my heart, cleanse me from my sin. Deep within, refiner's fire, my heart's one desire is to be holy, set apart for you, Lord. I choose to be holy, set apart for you, my Master, ready to do your will. Holy Spirit, rain down, oh Comforter and friend, how we need your touch again. Holy Spirit, rain down. Let your power fall, let your voice be heard. Come and change our hearts as we stand on your word. Holy Spirit, rain down.
No eye has seen, no ear has heard, no mind can know what God has in store. So open up heaven, open it wide over your church and over our lives. your touch.